What is up, you guys? My name is Sylvia Nicole, if you don't know, and today I have like the literal most exciting thing ever. This is the most basic person on this planet. Look at her. So, and I decided what I wanted for my birthday is a record player from Urban Outfitters. I got one that is $69. It ended up being $76 with all the total stuff. I'm literally so excited to open it, figure out how it works, put it where I want to put it, and become the literal most basic person like on this planet. I have records on my walls, I have Polaroids, I have plants, like I'm just over the top here. But anyways, here's the box. It's very large and it feels like it's like right here and like nothing up here, but what I love about Urban Outfitters record players is that it looks like a suitcase in a way. It has like handles and stuff, and I really like the style. I think it makes it look really modern but still with like the classic record player feel, because it's literally a record player. Did you see me almost chop my hand off? Me and Cecilia have one of these for a while now. I beat her to it. She has a really cute record wall in her room, just like I have some in mine. Okay, I literally love the package of this so much. I feel like I never want to throw this away. I'm that person. Like, I have my Instax camera, and then I have the box that it came in. I have Nikon old camera thing, and then I have the box that it came in. I feel like it's like getting the aesthetic of the thing twice. Maybe it's a hoarding thing. I honestly have no idea. Apparently it's Bluetooth. It says CROSLEY Cruiser Deluxe 3-speed portable turntable, which is super cute. Oh, that's a not very good smell. It smells like plastic, honey. But what did I expect? I'm gonna have to take this to the floor so I can really, you know, unbox it. Oh my god, it's still recording. Hey, sisters. Yo, I'm so like getting to the point because I'm literally so excited right now. I look good in this lighting. I have to like pull it out, I guess. The first thing that fell out is this little pluggy. Here in this box is this. I don't know what it is. It's really light. I'm very happy with that. It comes double bagged in here. I'm literally in shock right now. I'm so surprised and thankful that I could get this. This is the record that I'm going to be trying to play when I figure it out. It is the Andy Williams Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. I got it at a thrift store. I think it was a steal. It's very pretty, but I don't want to put it on my wall. I want to actually listen to it. To remove this little tie here. This is called a slip mat, apparently. I'm assuming that's what it is. I'm assuming. Put it this way. Oh my god, that's so cool. So this is an AC adapter, and I'm gonna plug it into the back and then plug it into the wall. Y'all, this is gonna be easy, okay? And I'm gonna have an extension cable moment. Now it should be kind of set up. So it does have an aux cord. You can plug in headphones, set the speed switch. Place the record on the turntable. Wait, y'all, I turned this little knob and now it's spinning. There's no needle. I feel like the needle isn't right. Yeah, maybe that's right. Okay, now I'll turn it on. Y'all, I just did that. Pretty much what you need to do, you turn it on. You make sure that this little lever here is up, and then you can adjust this to wherever you want the songs to start. And then you just click this little lever back. And I believe to start from the beginning, you start in the middle. Maybe it is from the outside. So I did it, I got it, I unboxed it, and I put it on my loft bed desk, and I'm very happy with it. I've been wanting this for a really long time. Like, we made it, brother. But I did want to address something. I did hear some bad things about the CROSLEY brand, about how it like is bad for your records, but like the thing is, like, my records are cheap. I got these for like $2 at the thrift store. They're already crappy. I mean, if I get a really nice record, I won't play it a lot because, you know, apparently it's bad for it. If you know anything about that, you can enlighten me in the comments if you have not already. Yeah, so that was my birthday present. Now I'm officially a very quirky VSCO girl. Soon I'll finish this wall and then have it look like this one. And then I'll be like the most basic girl I know, at least. I'm finna drink some water. You should drink some water too. Water's cool, you know. I only like water with ice for the most part, but you know what, gang gang. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like if you liked it, and comment down below anything you want to comment down below. And make sure to subscribe, because 80% of the watch time I'm getting is for people who are not subscribed, and it would really mean a lot to me. If you made it all the way to this video, you are awesome, and I love you. Bye. Bro, this video was so short. This ain't getting recommended to nobody.